אנחנו במלחמה ואנחנו ננצח בה.
Israel declared a state of war and launched airstrikes on the Gaza Strip following a surprise rocket attack by Palestine's Hamas militants, which claimed that it was only their first strike. Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said in a video statement following the attacks that the country is at war. "We are at war and we will win," he asserted, adding, "Our enemy will pay a price the type of which it has never known."
אזרחי ישראל, אנחנו במלחמה.
An Israeli military spokesperson said that fighting is going on at the Erez-Israel-Gaza border crossing and Zikim base. Reportedly, the attack by Hamas was a combined group raid which happened through paragliders, through the sea and through the ground. This came after Palestinian militants began a war against Israel, the country's defense minister said, after a barrage of rockets were fired and fighters from the Palestinian enclave infiltrated Israel. At least 2 people were killed in Israel, officials said, while Israel's defense minister Yoav Gallant said that Palestinian militant group Hamas has launched a war against the state of Israel. Troops are fighting against the enemy at every location, he said. Israel's military began airstrikes on Gaza following the rocket barrage from inside the territory. Dozens of IDF fighter jets are currently striking a number of targets belonging to the Hamas terrorist organization in the Gaza Strip, the military said. Meanwhile, the Israeli military struck targets in Gaza that sent air raid sirens wailing constantly as far as Tel Aviv and Jerusalem. Militant group Hezbollah has claimed that they are in direct contact with terrorist organization Hamas as well as other Palestinian groups in the Gaza Strip. In their statement, Hezbollah also said that they are warning Israel to be careful with what their next actions would be. Meanwhile, European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen has said that she unequivocally condemns the attack carried out by Hamas terrorists against Israel, adding that Israel has the right to defend itself.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.